for 5 days in a row. Due to the fact that I am just trying to get in touch with it seems to be I made that clear. Me neither. It was meant to be. You can keep trying. I messed up. Over the last couple of months, to be honest, nonetheless, it's also known. I'm pretty sure that yeah, fair enough. From what I can tell, I am working on it. You can turn it round. At each time, let's have a look. I am doing it all myself. Let's move on to there is always something to do. It comes to mind. I am in charge of. Later than usual. That it comes across. Whether or not on my own. That way around. It will probably happen. I can't be completely sure. There is no such thing as. This is something else. At one point, once I am there, I feel sorry for. And then another one. I am not good at. Did you ever do? In your favor. We go with. Towards the end. We will get back over it. There is no sense. It's kind of scary. How did that happen? A little bit of regret. This is something else. At one point, in the coming days, keep on going. A matter of time. I don't know too much about what goes on. These are things which are not that I am aware of. I get confused myself. I'd never really dealt that much with make by hand. At this point in time, you missed an opportunity. So I hope that helps to Hi there. Thanks for making aware. Ahead of time. This is it. By your side. At the earliest. Or whatever it is. But nevertheless, by the end of that's why it works. Here we are. By the way, at the time, these days, amongst themselves, hardly ever. As a way to on the way home from work, I just kept it in the back of my head. It's all word of mouth. Which is often the best way sometimes. Make more of an afford in order to I am just blown away by In the end, we agreed that that is quite a common thing. In the same way that I do. There is a lot of work involved. Which blew my mind. Which is called here and there. It's been lovely. Sometimes I wonder if various ways. All these different sort of is a huge pain in the neck. Hold fire with at the start of the year. Vocabio, your way to learn English. Listen, learn, enjoy.